In this session, we will discuss important requirements before starting development using ScalarDB. To develop using ScalarDB, you need to prepare Java development environment, databases, ScalarDB tools. For preparing the Java development environment, we will install the Java Development Kit, that is JDK, and also install IntelliJ as the integrated development environment. For databases, we will create MySQL and Cassandra. Finally, we will install the tools required for ScalarDB. Let us install a Java Development Kit. Here you can see the JDK supported by ScalarDB. In this session, we will install Oracle JDK 17. You can skip this part if you have already installed JDK, which is supported by ScalarDB. We will download Windows x64 installer from the specified link. Now we will see the installation process. Now we will set the Java home environment variable. Download the latest version of IntelliJ Community Edition from the specified link. Community Edition is listed in the middle of the page. We will now demonstrate how to download and install IntelliJ IDEA on a Windows machine. Search for Download IntelliJ IDEA in your web browser. Click on the first link which displays Download IntelliJ IDEA. There are two options, the Ultimate version and the Community Edition. Select IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Click the download button for the Windows.exe file. Check that the download has started. Check that the download is completed successfully. Double-click the .exe file to start the installation process. Click Next to continue. You can also create a desktop shortcut here. Then click Next. Once the installation is finished, click Finish. Restart your computer to complete the setup. Now you can use IntelliJ IDEA. We will install MySQL 8 and Cassandra 3.11 as databases supported by ScalarDB in this session. There are several options for the installation of these databases. Here we will demonstrate the simplest installation using Docker Compose. In a Windows environment, you can achieve the same results with an Ubuntu terminal environment on Windows, with WSL, that is Windows Subsystem for Linux, and using Docker environment. Here we create a Docker Compose file to install MySQL and Cassandra. You can store it in any location in the system. Let us check the Docker Compose YAML file. Check the configuration details for MySQL image in the YAML file. It has container name, volumes, and port mappings. Similarly, check the configuration details for Cassandra image. Open Linux terminal. Now, execute the command sudo docker compose up-d to run compose file. It will take some time to complete the installation of databases. Execute the command sudo docker ps to verify running containers. Now verify the running containers on Docker desktop as well. Now let us discuss the schema loader of ScalarDB. ScalarDB has its own data model and schema that maps to the data model and schema as per the implementation. The schema loader is a CLI tool which creates ScalarDB-specific schemas from schema definition files. Download schema loader from the specified link. We will discuss more details about using schema loader when we discuss how to build a sample console application in our next session. Click on the Scalar Labs ScalarDB GitHub link. Open user documentation. Now click on the ScalarDB Schema Loader. Click on the Fat Jar tab to open the ScalarDB Releases page. Select ScalarDB Schema Loader 3.13.0.jar under Assets. Confirm that the download has completed successfully.